Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Miriam C, and in today's video I'll be installing this lovely unit sent to me by Unice Hair. This unit is their blonde highlight full lace frontal wig in the length of 24 inches. All details on this unit will be down below in the description, so check that out. So this is everything that comes in the box to help you install the wig, and y'all, they even included these bomb lashes that I'm actually wearing in the video, and they also sent your girl some bamboo earrings, so that's very different. As you can see, this unit is very soft and the color is gorgeous, but I will say that since this hair is bleach, it did have a little bit of frizziness going on towards the ends, but after co-washing it, it helped restore some of the shine and the luster to the unit. I wouldn't consider this an HD lace, but this lace is very seamless and extremely thin, which made the install even better. The inside of this unit has 3 comb attachments, and also be aware that the sides aren't as wide, so you won't be able to do a deep side part. So this is what the unit looked like before plucking and after bleaching the knots. This hairline is very thick, you guys, so keep that in mind if you don't know how to pluck. But of course, your girl got you guys with some beginner-friendly techniques, so just pay attention to this next clip to see how I transform this lace. So I stole this method from Arrogante, and yes guys, you're going to take that lace unit wig and put it on a white towel, and this is going to help you see the lace so much better. So starting off, we're going to section off the front row of the lace, which could be the baby hairs. Then we're going to take our hot comb plus some got-to-be spray to get all the hair out the way. I do up to 3 sections of plucking until I get my desired look. So when you pluck, make sure that you're using the pointy side of your tweezer, and every 3 seconds move in a back and forward motion across the hairline. So 1, 2, 3 move, 1, 2, 3 move, 1, 2, 3 move. And if you're a beginner, go slow and pluck less. Trust me, you don't want to bald in frontal, honey, and it's key to not stay in one spot. I won't touch you, baby. So I went for a really natural hairline and I plucked a lot, but after you get your desired look, you're going to want to tint your lace. So you can do this using makeup. I use my favorite Morphe powder and I just go in and just apply it all over the lace from side to side, and then I go in again and apply it to the front of the lace. So if you're installing your lace with makeup on, I'd advise you to go on with a makeup wipe and just clean that perimeter to make sure there's no makeup there, and then go on with your lace glue and lay that lace down. So I'm using my Bold Hold, and guys, this is my holy grail. I don't use nothing else. This glue pretty much lasts me a very long time and I don't have any issues with it. So yeah, this is definitely my girl when it comes to laying down these frontals. And you're just going to see me going with about, I want to say 3 layers. I would always advise doing 3 to 4 layers when applying your lace glue. And also do not give it time to dry in between layers. Just go ahead and just add it right back on top. Like I would say wait about maybe 10 seconds and then go ahead and just add it right back on top. Like you can see how fast it's drying. So we're going to melt this lace even more with some Got To Be spray. And this Got To Be and elastic band combo always gets me right, sis. Like, your lace will be melted to the gods. Just make sure that you're leaving it on for 10 minutes minimum. And then when we come back, we're going to cut that lace. So when cutting your lace, you want to make sure that you're using a sharp razor. You never want to use shears or scissors to cut your lace because it's going to give you that boxy shape-up effect that your girl JT was wearing at the BET Awards. Yes, so you want to make sure that you're using a sharp razor and you're kind of like tugging downwards while going across the hairline to create that natural hairline illusion. So now it's time for some baby hairs. And guys, my technique for baby hairs is still not yet mastered, but I pretty much just freehand it. I like the swoop illusion, so I just use my fingers, my rat tail comb, my edges brush, and some Got To Be styling gel to lay my edges. So this is my beginner friendly way to melt my laces. I'm going to go in again with an elastic band to make sure everything is just melted to the gods. But yeah, you guys can just continue to watch and just watch me install and style this unit. It was about 10 minutes ago. Y'all, I'm watching the versus battle right now, and that's all I'm gonna say is that's how much I love y'all. Because I'm literally could be watching this with my friends, but I love y'all, so it's okay. We gonna watch it together. Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I love you. Joke when I say I don't think I can't wait. I just need it now. Let it swing my way. I just need some.
search me, call me, I need you in my life, yeah. 78998212. Okay, Soldier.
And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, it's only right that you like, comment, and subscribe. And subscribe so you'll be notified every time your girl drops a new upload. So thank you guys again. And don't forget to leave a comment down below about what you like the most. What tips are you going to take? If you have any tips that you would like to add, I would definitely be interested in knowing as well. I'm definitely going to be commenting back. So go ahead and leave some comments down below. But yes, guys, stay tuned for next week's upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video.